Today we are discussing ScriptRunner's Enhanced JQL in Jira Cloud. To start, let's open ScriptRunner's Enhanced Search from the Applications menu. Running an enhanced search here will immediately show us some result. We can change it and run again to see the updated result. That's cool. Now, let's try it in Jira Issue Navigator, the native Jira tool. So when we run it, we encounter an error. Unfortunately, ScriptRunner's Enhanced JQL doesn't work with Jira native search tool. So let's return to Enhanced Search tool and create a workaround. We can save our search as a Jira filter. I already have a few searches saved as filters, so let's open one and see how it works. It works perfectly. The great thing is these filters also work with third-party applications supporting JQL filters. Now let's switch to Report Builder. We want to create a new report. Clicking here, we see it works with projects. But let's test it with the filter. Let's delete the project and add our filter. It works! Now let's select the second filter. It works too. So that's how you use ScriptRunner's Enhanced JQL in the cloud. Thank you and have a nice day.